So I am here today in Newport Beach where we're doing the Orange County Expo, and I'm excited to meet a lot of the vendors and listen to some of the speakers that they have lined up. It's running from 9 to 1, so I've got another couple of hours, and I would like to share with you what I see, what I hear, and who I talk to. Let's go meet some of the vendors and see what's on the schedule for speaking today. Hey, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tamara and I appreciate you stopping by. This is Reimagine 50 Plus and I put out videos every Thursday. Glad you could join me. Golden Future, changing the way we age, which I think is right in line with this channel. So if you're not familiar with it, look it up. They are online and you can make a reservation. As I said, it's free. It's a lot of fun, and it's about a 4-hour thing. You can come and go. You don't have to stay for the full 4 hours. You can pop in and do an hour and get some information. They also have these events throughout the United States. So I will leave information about the event in the description box below. I'm going to get back in there. Okay.
Protect their assets and make sure that they stay out of probate. We only do one thing, we do it very well. We do a free phone conversation to explain everything to you. You really need to be in power and you need to make sure your days, even during your life, is exactly the way that you want it. And you can control your kids from the other side after you're gone.
It pays to get back, so if you shop at any of these restaurants, you go there, your favorite church, Little League, small business, nonprofit would make a percentage of each sale every single day. So you're giving back every single day. If you travel a lot, this is a really great way to maximize your travel, get cash back. Plus, if you're a small business or merchant, we're on the cash rail, so you save all those merchant processing fees. You save a lot of fees.
Does it cost anything to do this?
Free. You just need to call us up. Here's a scope. Scan this code. All the info you need will be there.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks for joining me today at the Golden Future 50 Plus Senior Expo. Have a good week. Take care. Bye-bye.